A new lesson begins now. Hello. It is time for a new lesson. Today, we will learn numbers. Let's start with 1. I am one leader. 1.
Look, now there are 2. 1, 2. 2 friends. Be careful. Be careful. A trio of jets. 1, 2, 3. 3 jets.
1, 2, 3. Can you count with me? Great start. Let's keep going.
Now, let's learn the number 4.
Wow, 4 powerful Dinobots. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And what calls after 4?
5.
A team of 5 heroes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now you know the numbers 1 to 5. Excellent.
You want more lessons? Then hit the buttons. It's that simple. Now do it.
But there are more numbers to learn. Let's continue. You can count to 5. Now, let's play a game to practice. The how many game.
Look closely. How many Energon cubes are there?
There are 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 cubes. Okay, next question. How many bumblebees do you see?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bumblebees.
You are a counting champion. Fantastic work.
Let's learn the number 6. Look over there. 6 Constructicons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And after 6 comes 7.
A fleet of 7 drones. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
6 Constructicons and 7 drones. These are big numbers. But we are not finished yet. Let's go! It is time for the number 8.
8 creepy Insecticons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Next is the number 9.
A squadron of 9 starships. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
And finally, the big one. 10. 10 brave Autobots! You did it! You can count to 10.
You can count to 10. But what comes next? Let's find out.
After 10 comes 11. 11 cars.
And after development, 12. 12 jets.
Then comes 13. 13 tanks.
11, 12, 13. You are learning so fast. The teen numbers are special. Let's learn more.
Let's continue our journey with the teen numbers. Look, 14 maximals.
14.
Deep in the ocean, we see 15 seacons. 15. And on the rails, 16 train bots. 16. 14, 15, 16. Boom, you're doing great. We are getting closer to 20. Aye, let's finish the teen numbers.
It is time to complete the teen numbers.
My analysis is complete. For maximum learning efficiency, the prescription is clear. Like, subscribe, and activate notifications.
17 brilliant scientists. 17.
Ready for flight, 18 helicopters.
18.
The powerful wreckers. 19 of them.
19.
And after 19 comes 20, a total of 20 Transformers.
You are excellent at counting. Now, let's learn how to add numbers together.
We have one Autobot.
One Autobot plus one more Autobot.
Your mission is simple but important. Like, share, and subscribe. Join us.
Equals 2 Autobots.
1 plus 1 equals 2.
Let's try another one. 2 Dinobots plus 1 Dinobot.
Equals 3 Dinobots. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Amazing. You can add numbers. And now, let's learn how to take away or subtract.
Here are 5 jets.
Five jets minus 2 jets that fly away.
Equals 3 jets left. 5 minus 2 equals 3.
Let's try again. 7 Energon cubes minus 3 cubes.
Equals 4 cubes. 7 minus 3 equals 4. Well done.
Counting to 20 is great. Now, let's learn to count by tens. It's fast.
We know this is 10.
2 groups of 10 is 20. 3 groups of 10 is 30.
4 groups of 10 is 40.
And 5 groups of 10 is 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
You are doing so well. Let's continue counting by tens, all the way to 100.
6 groups of 10 is 60. 7 groups of 10 is 70. 8 groups of 10 is 80.
9 groups of 10 is 90.
And
10 groups of 10 is 100. You can count to 100.
One last skill to learn. Tie-in. Let's compare numbers using bigger and smaller.
Here we have 3 Autobots and 6 Decepticons. Which number is bigger?
6 is bigger than 3. Great.
Now, 4 Dinobots and 8 Insecticons. Which number is smaller?
4 is smaller than 8. You are so smart.
Understanding bigger and smaller is a very important skill. You have mastered it.
Did you enjoy the lesson? Then press the buttons.
It is time for our final game, the missing number game.
Look at this sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4. What comes next?
It's 5. You got it.
Okay, a harder one. 10, 20, 40, 50. What number is missing?
It's 30. What? You are a true number expert.
Your logic is flawless. You are ready for the final review.
You have completed the numbers lesson. Let's review everything you learned.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8.
Plus. Minus.
Bigger.
100.
Congratulations! You are now a true number master.
But your journey is just beginning. Are you ready for a new adventure? Next time, we will learn the alphabet